Hi, this is Barry from S&B, and today I'm here to talk to you about our new intake, new open style intake kit. And I know you're probably saying, hey, what is S&B doing an open style intake? For years, all we've done is preach how a closed intake system is better, and we still believe that, don't get me wrong. It comes down to restriction and temperature. Those are the two things that you have to maximize in order to maximize the density of the air, which is what gives you better performance and makes your truck perform better. However, so we still believe in a closed style intake, and that is, if you ask me what the best intake kit is for your vehicle, I'm going to say it's a closed style intake with our sealed box, whether it's a dry filter or cleanable filter. However, there are customers out there that want an open style intake. For whatever reason, that's the intake they want, and who am I to tell them that they can't have that? And so what we did is we wanted to design an open style intake done the S&B way, so that it is the install is super clean, no check engine lights, carb exempt, all the key ingredients to making a great intake so that it's good for the consumer, and just it really comes down to a super clean install as well. So let me talk to you a little bit about what we did when we designed this intake. First of all, we started with an enormous filter. This is an 11-inch media filter. It's absolutely gigantic, huge opening, huge filter. It's got a great looking powder-coated expanded metal on the outside to protect your filter, because under the hood, since you're not going to have an air box protecting it, the pleats could get damaged easier just with opening and closing the hood and getting in there and working around. So what we wanted to do is give you something that protected your filter, so now you won't have dinged up pleats, and it's going to look, just take a look at our website. The install is just super clean, and the filter looks great under the hood. Another cool thing that we're releasing with this kit is our new dry cleanable media. So this is we've always had dry extendable filters where you could blow it out and extend it for 1 or 2 cleanings, but now we have a legitimate filter that you can actually clean and give you great airflow and extend the life of the filter as well. You don't extend the life of the filter, you can clean this 10 times using a cleaning solution if you get grease on the filter, or you can just blow it out with compressed air. We recommend after 10 times throw it away and get a new filter just to protect your truck properly. But the efficiency of our new dry cleanable media is astronomical. The efficiency rate, and you can go to our website and see the exact numbers, are 99.9%. That's better than stock. So you're getting something that's going to protect your engine, give you great airflow, and what you guys have been asking for forever is a dry cleanable filter. So now you can clean this filter and not have to worry about your efficiency. We never came out with a dry cleanable filter before because we couldn't get one that would properly protect your truck. Well, that day is over, and now we have the product you guys have been asking for. So you can get it in either a dry cleanable or our traditional cotton gauze filter. The good parts of this kit don't stop there. We've got an enormous tube. The opening of this tube is 5.5 by 6, I believe, and it gives you over 356 cubic inches of airspace. We use this special insert so that we can still get a huge tube and make it so that you don't get check engine lights just running it in a normal stock vehicle. You do not need a tune to run this intake. Great, huge tube, rotomolded. It doesn't get any better or bigger than this. And you guys, that's what you want. You want a huge tube and a huge filter if you're running an open style intake. That's what you wanted. That's what we're giving to you. But it doesn't stop there. You know, I kept talking about the clean install. The clean install is super important. This one bracket's all you need. And this bracket is going to keep the filter and the tube from rubbing with the other components in your engine. And all you do is just snap it right into that grommet. And that grommet's going to keep everything in place, and it's going to be a secure mount. When you're ready to change the filter, boom, you just pop it out, disconnect it from the turbo, pop it out, take the filter off, clean it, pop it back on, and you're good to go. So we have 2 different open style intakes, one that fits the 11 through 16 power stroke, and one that fits the 17 to 19 power stroke. And just like our closed intake with the sealed box and so forth, our open style intake, we relocate the battery. So we give you an awesome battery tray, just like we do with our other intake, and you're able to relocate the battery to the rear, allowing to have a shorter tube, so you eliminate all that restriction that you get from the stock system. The stock system on the 17 to 19 power stroke is just radically restrictive. In fact, our open style intake improves the airflow 50%, over 50%. Check the website for the exact the data, but it improves it over 50%. while giving you radically high efficiency rates with whichever filter you end up choosing. But the battery tray, you relocate the battery, and so now you got a short shot, air ramming right into the air filter itself, straight into the turbo. You know, a great kit. This takes about an hour to install. The other kit's less than 30 minutes, really easy to do. Again, we believe in closed air intake kits, but we also believe that the customer's right as well. And so we want to take care of the customer, and there is demand out there for an open style intake, so we want to take care of those customers that want an open style intake. We want them to run S&B no matter what intake they're running, so properly protect your engine and have a clean install. But thanks for your support. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at sbfilters.com.